Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going for hiking and it's a church camp at Mount Gemi, and then we'll go to Waterfalls after. But like as you can see from my eyes, I am my roommate's wedding. But we are here. We thought about our left. They're still here. So stay tuned. It's gonna be exciting. I'm here. Hi. We are going to swim. For the hiking, forget it. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. So stay tuned. Bye for now. Sir Edmund Hillary said something, and I quote, "It's not in the mountain that we conquer, but ourselves." This mountain climbing experience is going to push you, it's going to motivate you, it's going to drain you, it's going to be painful, but when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So always remember that you've got this. Hi guys, so we are here, like we've arrived, but then we are not yet, we haven't yet climbed the mountain, but we'll be going soon. I just wanted to update you guys. I'm already hungry. I don't know what energy I'm going to use to climb, but we'll make it happen. Oh yeah, bye bye.
For bringing us this far. Amen. We commit ourselves into your hands that you take us there safely and bring us back safely. Amen. Amen.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. They are going to bleed and cry.
I'm going to be the leader of this group.
Okay.
So we are going live on our top.
Hi guys, so currently we are on the part 2, like climb the mountain, but then you see it's a church activity, so it's not just like us just walking. We are actually like looking for, let's say, signals or messages on the way. That it's sort of like an activity, adventure activity, something. So we're going to discover some things on the way. It's going to be fun. You've seen some RBS, so it means we should go straight ahead. So we're going.
walking. Please go straight ahead. Guys, it's serious. It's serious. I'm already tired. I mean, I know where like close. I know. We'll get there. Can do this, baby. Can do this. Please don't leave me. There's a joy when the work is done. Double up, you're almost there. Almost there, say. So the activity was that we were supposed to sing. Yeah.
Give it to us.
It's a hymn that
Give it to us. Give
joy,
it to
love,
us.
joy when the work is done. So that's what we did. We sang. Yeah. And they said we are almost there, so I'm trusting their way. Gap. My waist is already killing me.
Oh,
Sophie, babe. Y'all know that's my baby. Oh my God. Anybody who wants to give up with me? Yeah. Say I. Ah. Okay. So they're still going. I don't know. The group is far. The group is far ahead of us. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Okay. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye. So beautiful. God. Drink is worth it. I mean, you are very crazy. You are one thing. You are one thing.
Viewing are very crazy. Yo, I want to. We're going crazy, nigga.
It's just so nice. Oh, these weeks are just blocking a river. Just look at it. Wow. Wow. It's just so nice. It's so beautiful. We will get.
How many kilometers now?
We will get.
No.
Okay. Nice.
Viewing are crazy.
You guys, I'm so tired. Oh God, but there's hope. Oh, I mean, I feel like just sitting down or something. It's stressful. Hey, it's not on the floor, okay? Please, in case you want to come here, please, stamina, guys. Start jogging like 2 weeks before, because it's serious. Very, very serious. Wow. I'm tired. Someone anything who it's serious. It's orange peeling activity. It's an orange peeling something.
Something.
Hey, Mom, please, I just got here. Well done. Few kilometers to the top. Sing 3 youth choruses and continue the journey. See you soon. God be with us and pa. Hey, it's Mom, Mommy, orange, Nibi. We are all praying, no, it's raining. Hey, it's serious. We are not even getting ready to walk. You are coming to
Hurry up,
keep us down. But I'm fat. The devil is a liar. We'll get there. Bye, guys. Hard times are coming. Okay. It's raining. My dress is soaking wet. Please, it's not a video. It's not a picture. It's a video. Sorry. So you guys won't believe it, but so far we haven't even actually climbed the actual mountain. Like this is just like the road to oh god, what am I gotten myself into? So yeah, we ended up buying granules for the road. Okay, like you can see that like this looks like the stairs, like actually climbing the mountain. So wish me luck, guys. I'll surely get it. For the person, go higher. We're going, guys. We're almost there. You can see, never give up. People will discourage you, but never give up. Okay, I'm almost there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't. Okay, guys. Please, we have come this far. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so these have been my companions, the last people companions. It hasn't been easy, but see, we're here. See, so no matter what it takes for you to get here, still never give up. Okay, never. Why? I need a stretcher. It's not a joke, you guys. It's not even the actual, like this is the actual mountain. That one is not even that high. It's like the prelims before you get here. I really appreciate the hikers. I don't know, I should maybe start exercising more frequently. Because my hustle is real. It really is a hustle. Okay, so still going to viewing it very crazy. Okay, so we'll talk later. Come to take a video of the view for you guys. Wow, this is beautiful.
This is nice. Baby girl, give us.
Finally met Jesus Christ on the mountain. We are at the cross. We need the cross of Golgotha. We are here, guys.
I'm so sorry that I couldn't vlog the time we spent at Waterfalls, but I just left in some pictures for you to see like the kind of fun that we had there. Battery went down, so I had to stop vlogging, but I just hope that you've enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.